HMS the Prince of Wales bid farewell to the jets of 809 Naval Air Squadron after their maiden sea embarkation concluded yesterday. Citing from the Royal Navy website, the F-35B Lightnings spent a month aboard the Portsmouth-based warship, building on their basic capability to land take off from her flight deck during day and night to strike missions, dropping paveway bombs directly on ranges at Cape Wrath, the most northwesterly tip of the Scottish mainland. The Lightnings, flown, like all UK F-35s, by a combination of Royal Navy and RAF pilots, conducted diamond-shaped flypasts of the carrier before making their way to their home airbase in Norfolk, RAF Marham. Commander Nick Smith, 809 Naval Air Squadron's commanding officer, said the maiden embarkation had been phenomenal success, laying a solid foundation for when his F-35s rejoin the task group in 2025 on their first deployment. Our integration has also spread beyond the ship, demonstrated by the successful launch of a live weapon on a target at Cape Wrath. The weapon was prepared by the ship's company, loaded and delivered by 809 NASA and 617 squadron engineers and pilots, controlled by Royal Marine Commandos ashore. HMS the Prince of Wales will return to Portsmouth tomorrow.